Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be doing some chicken bombs. Now, I saw this video from the master himself, the legend himself in barbecue community, Mr. Heath Riles.
Let me show you guys how I make barbecue bacon chicken bombs. Stick around.
My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. All right, so here we go. We have our chicken thighs, we got our bacon in here, we have our Fiesta blend cheese, cream cheese, our jalapeños, a little meat tenderizer to flatten these out a little bit. And of course, we're gonna be using our barbecue rub. Let's go ahead and get our cream cheese and our cheese all mixed up here. So we're only gonna use half of this. That's all we would need. So I would suggest you leaving this out on your table for about a half hour so you get nice and soft. It is right now. So about half of that. Now if you wanted more cheese, you got a little bit more or a little bit less, depending on how you guys want it. So now we're just gonna mix this in here. Now we're gonna add a little bit of our rub in there. And then mix that in there. All right, now that we have our cheese and cream cheese, they're all nice and mixed, let's go ahead and put the chicken over here. All right, so the video that he just made, I mean, they look great, they look amazing. I was like, wow, I had to make those ASAP. That's what I did. So the way we do it, we're gonna do it is exactly how he did on the chicken. So to make it more flat, we're just gonna cut a little bit. We're gonna make them flat. So we're gonna save these. Now this is a nice piece of chicken, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save these, cut them in little tiny pieces, and I'm gonna make chicken tacos later. So see, it leaves it nice and flat now. So we're gonna do that on all of them. So just kind of pretty much go ahead and see where you have a little bulge going. So it's perfect because you're using these for the chicken bombs, and we have a little bit left over to make some tacos. Man, what more can you ask for? So just a little bit over here on the top. Now what we're gonna do, now you don't have to do this. He said this is something he does extra. And I do have one of these, so I might as well do them. But you don't have to. You get a Ziploc bag and just make them a little bit more flatter. That way they wrap around pretty good. So flat, so we'll do that for the rest of them. We'll be back. So once again, on this part, you guys don't have to do this. Some of you may not have one of these. It's fine. You don't have to do them. It will work just fine if you don't do it. It's one of the things that, you know, we have them. This is how he did it too, but like I said, he also mentioned you don't have to do this part. All right, so now I have a fresh pair of gloves. Now we're gonna get these jalapeños cut up. So I have 4 thighs, and I only have 2 of these, so I'm cutting in half. Cut them. All right, and yes, we're gonna take the stuff inside out. All right, so there you have it. We took everything inside. Now, let's go ahead and make these. So what we do is we're gonna grab one of these. And you're gonna fill them in there. Don't go shy, okay guys? Just pack it in there. Pack it in there. So now we're gonna put it face down. Just like that, and it's perfect size. Lengthwise. Okay, now remember we got bacon too, so, but right now, so we're gonna go ahead and add some more rub on the chicken. Just like that. Now we're gonna wrap them. Now we're gonna grab 1 piece of bacon, and it's gonna go the long way. Just like that. Now we got another piece of bacon going sideways. And he said it's gonna take about 3 pieces total. So there's 1, 2, and then this should be our third one. And yep, 3 pieces of bacon. Look at that. Look at that. So we're gonna do the same all the other ones, and we'll be back. All right, so here we have them. Now we're gonna add a rub onto all of these. Just like that, all around. Just nice amount. Don't go shy, it's fine. You'll be fine. Put them on this, I'm gonna transfer them on this one. Make it easy to move around. And there you go, perfect. All right guys, so here you have it. So the only thing I would do different is I would add the cream cheese to all 4 jalapenos, then start putting them in the chicken and then rolling them. Only thing different I would do that I did. All right, so how are we gonna cook this? We're gonna put our Traeger at 350 degrees. That's how he did it. They're gonna take about a little over an hour, but when they hit 160, we're gonna come back and we're gonna add some barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna be using our Lane's pineapple chipotle. It's one of my favorite barbecue sauce that I have tasted. So that's gonna go really well with this. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. All right, our Traeger hit 350. Let's go ahead and add these in here. And we'll be back when they hit 160 internal. All right, it's been about 50 minutes. And let's see where we're at. About 160. Let's add our Lane's pineapple chipotle. Gotta get all around that. Alright, we'll be back another 10 or 15 minutes till they hit 170 degrees internal. Alright, they've been there for 1 hour total. Let's see where they're at. They're about 170, and we're good to take them out. Look at that. All right, guys, we are done. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so here we have it. Let's grab one of these. Oh, looks good. That pineapple chipotle, has some great flavor. So here we have 2 of the 3 knife sets that you get from HowToBbqRight. The link will be in the description for the knife, the rubs, even the barbecue sauce. So let's go ahead and give this a cut right in the middle. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks delicious. Nice and juicy. All right, here we have it. We let it cool down just a little bit because it was hot, but this looks good. Go ahead and try it. Wow. Mr. Heat Rouse, thank you for this recipe that you gave us. It is good. I ain't gonna lie, that is really good. It's amazing. The flavor of that jalapeno, the cheese, cream cheese too, with the bacon and the nice barbecue glaze on them. Oh my God, it's so good. Make sure you guys hit that like, that subscribe. Let me know if you guys are gonna be making something like this. What you guys think about this? What will you guys add? Or this is just perfect. But for me, this is perfect. See you guys next time.